Run that back.
Stop.
Pause it.
Rotate us 75 degrees around the vertical, please.
With the right equipment, the image could be enlarged and sharpened.
Can you enhance the image from here?
Can you enhance him right here?
Can you enhance it?
Can you enhance it?
Can we enhance this?
Can you enhance it?
Hold on a second, I'll enhance it.
There, freeze that. Can you clear that up any?
I don't know. Let's enhance it.